Hey guys, today I'm taking down the braids I did last night after washing my hair. To prep my hair for styling, I'm applying the Organics castor oil. Adding oil before styling helps lock in moisture, reduce breakage, and keep my hair nourished, especially when working with protective styles. By the way, I always post my hair tutorials on my socials first, so if you're not already following me, go ahead and do that so you don't miss out on anything. Now I'm parting my hair. Honestly, this step is super important to me because I love my parts to be straight. Then I apply a little gel to keep those parts clean, child. Pro tip, I like to create all my parts first before I start braiding. It saves so much time and helps everything stay neat as I go. Next, it's time to braid. I'm doing 10 braids, stopping about halfway to the center of my head. Instead of finishing each braid all the way down, I secure it with a rubber band, leaving the ends out. I have thinner edges, so a little trick I use is starting each braid with 2-strand twist, then switching to a 3-strand braid. It helps reduce tension and keeps my edges protected. Once I'm done braiding, I grab my Outre Afro twist hair, a pair of scissors, and a crochet needle to start installing the hair. You'll notice I did a few quick cornrows in the back. This gives the crochet hair something to hold onto and helps everything lay flat. I use two different methods to secure the hair. The first one is placing one strand through the loop and locking it in. I like this for the top sections because it looks more natural. The second method is putting two strands through the loop and securing it, and this gives me more volume and holds up well. This is my favorite method, to be honest. After installing, I go back and fill in any areas in the front that look sparse to make sure the afro looks nice and full. Then I do my edges to pull the whole look together, and that's it. Here's the final result. I hope you loved the video. Let me know in the comments if you plan to try this style or if you want to see more natural hairstyles from me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.